that big shit, nigga, you better get down, nigga, and lay down, nigga. I'm praying, I'm wishing I witness my vision. Life of a youngin', I'm off of ambition. Sucking this record with no competition. It's me and my bitches and me. Go get the line, she sold it with ease. Sucker at nigga, he looking at he. Gino Gaddafi, the kid that the bleed. Die for rich people in ride with the beam. All of my brothers are loving with light. Body for body is murder for hire. Somalis of Malis that knock off the party. All of my life I've been feeling so gnarly. Delete the party, we left at the party with bodies on bodies, cause niggas was cocky. Lord is my witness, got Bobby and Whitney. Kitchens with bitches, now nigga just listen. Rebels and rebels, they stomachs, they rumble, they thumble through jungles. We lions, Mufasas, no lying, I'm mobbing. We cut off for moolah, no sense in me lying. I'm serious, modest, my gun go bananas for cowards with manners. The serious silence, the bullshit can grab it. You bitches can have me. You bitches can have it. Want me to fail, they want me to crumble. My stomach can rumble, now make it a double. Seen a young nigga, he jumping the rebel. Killed to be killed, cause the life he was given. Life he was given, the life he was given. Hustling hard, nigga, making the killing. Making the killing, he making the killing. Murder with pussy and murder. Cabo Gaddafi, he always the villain. He always the villain, he always the villain. Smoking no dope and he making the killing. He making the killing. He making the killing. Smoking no dope and he making the killing. He making the killing. Smoking no dope and he making the killing. Get to the stage with the suitcase of dreams. Smoking no dope while I'm back in the green. Hustling hard, see the captain the team. Pussy at niggas, they back on the scene. Rap game is ours and I am the king. Told me your pistol, then I get you issue. I made it official, I'm busting through tissue. All of my bitches fulfilling my missions. I'm counting commission and backing these bitches. These niggas, they hate me, they want me to vanish. Revenge is a status, adjusting these bastards. Niggas, you bitches, you bitches, you niggas. They doubt it, they hate it, they waited, they faded. But nigga, we made it. Well, nigga, we made it. Cause suckers think busters, they witnessed the greatest. But left me with pebbles. Started with nothing, my dollar by double. They vested in commas and cobbles. I saw them with bubbles, regardless, colors.
Put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me. Cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men wish death on me, Lord.